Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World, Detail World, what it do? What it do? What it do, man? We made it to this first appointment out here in Belmead, Tennessee. Working on this Land Rover Defender 110 right now. It's a little dirty on the exterior if you see it, but we already got the interior completely done. It was a little cold this morning, so I was trying to hurry up. We're supposed to crank up to like 50-something degrees today, so that's a good thing. But give you a quick glimpse of the interior. One thing I will admit, I hate this plastic rubber inside, you know, so use the carpet, but you see two tall seats, you know, 3 color doors, tri-color doors, things like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracked and get the exterior clean. Like I said, the interior came out pretty well, not really that dirty in the inside, but y'all already know, man, we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service, and I hope you take pride in whatever you got going on. And once again, I'm gonna ask y'all, man, if it's something that I'm doing wrong on the vlog or detailer, go ahead, leave some comments and let me know what it is that I'm doing wrong so I can go ahead and change those things, man. So I'm trying to make the channel as good as possible for you because y'all the ones that watch it. Like I say, the algorithm, people got to change the word from algorithm to audience, you know. But I'm going to go ahead and continue doing what I'm doing. Like I said, we already got the max out, things like that. They're a little dirty. The exterior of the car dirty, but it's nothing we can't handle. We already got the all-purpose and everything ready. But we're going to go ahead and get it cracking, man. And I'm going to catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got this Land Rover Defender done, got the whole car completely done. Y'all remember what the exterior looked like? Remember those wheels didn't look that clean? But look at the car now, car look immaculate. He definitely gonna be enthused with the work like always, because you know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And what I try to explain to you, whenever you take pride in whatever you got going on, the job is nothing. It's not even considered a job. But I'm about to go ahead and park this, head to my next stop so I can stay on time. And I hope, man, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, or liked, or left a comment, or shared this video, go ahead and do that, man. And on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We got the second car done of the day. This is one of my good customers' mothers. Her mother wanted her car clean, so he came over here and knocked it out. It was just a basic clean. It wasn't that dirty. It just had a few stains here and there, but we already knocked it out. We got the whole car done, exterior, interior. Like I said, it wasn't as bad as you thought it would be, being an older car, because she take care of it. But we got the seats wiped down pretty good. There was some chocolate on the seat right there. We got all that knocked down. We got all the monitors, windows, everything completely done. Only thing I need to do now is come back and hit these door jams. But other than that, y'all already know, man, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, man. And on that note, continue to take pride in whatever you're doing. We still got 3 more vehicles to do, so I'm about to go ahead and put up the rest of the equipment, let them know we done, get paid, and head to the next stop. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. But everybody already know, man, we done finished this car today. We still got 2 more cars to do today. 2 more. Busy day. It's about 3 something. But try to get it done before the sun go down. Interior of the car looks good. Exterior of the car looks good. But y'all already know, man, it takes time just to do these cars one by one, no matter how long. Even if it's not that dirty, it still take the process of going through each step. But y'all see it, man, car look immaculate. I know y'all know it look immaculate. Y'all tell me if it don't, man. But I'm about to head to the next stop, man. Like I said, next stop probably about 5 minutes away from here. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done finished this last car today. We had 1 more car to go do, but the sun is already going down over there. If you see that little orange ball right there. So by the time we get to the next stop, it'll probably be dark. She already just texted me back and said she can do Wednesday at 2:30, so that's good. But I'm gonna go ahead and let her know we done, get paid, pull the car back in the garage. We got the whole car looking immaculate like always. Y'all already know we take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And like I tell you, when you take pride in whatever you're doing, man, remember, it's not a job. You see those guys over there working hard building their new house, man. That house that was over there was pretty small. The guy probably had to sell that property for a boatload of money. But regardless of that, man, we got this car done. Finna pull it in the garage. Y'all already know. Tomorrow we got a busy day, Wednesday, Thursday. Hopefully it don't rain, but y'all already know, man. We take so much pride over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Remember, man, one love, love thyself. You can't love nobody if you don't love yourself, man. And remember that. And like always, peace.